Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful and easy DIY paper flowers. They're perfect for decorating cards, gifts, or even for festive decorations. Let's get started. You'll need colorful paper in green, pink, yellow, and blue, a pair of scissors, and glue. It's simple, right? Take the green paper and cut out leaf shapes. You'll need 6 for each flower. Fold them slightly in the middle to give them a 3D look. For the petals, cut out small pink flower shapes with rounded edges. Cut a small circle from the yellow paper and a slightly larger circle from the blue paper. Layer the yellow on top of the blue and glue them together. Arrange the green leaves in a circular pattern and glue them together at the base. Then layer the pink petals on top, followed by the blue and yellow center. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.